Hello, my name is Desiree Delahan. This is my EDL 856 Module 1 Introduction video. A few things about myself. I am actually a Colorado native. We have now lived in Garden City, Kansas for about 4.5 years. I am a wife. I'm married to a city firefighter who is also in the now Kansas National Guard. He used to be in the Army National Guard, and he was also active duty Army for 3 years, so we got to live on a military installation. We just celebrated our 10th wedding anniversary on Christmas Eve. I am a boy mom. I have a son named Cooper, who is 7, and a son named Aiden, who is 2, and they definitely keep me busy. Some of my hobbies include hunting. I like scrapbooking. I like playing card games. We have 3 dogs, so we like to spend time outside as well. Where I work. I currently work for USD 457. This is my 5th school year here in Garden City, Kansas. I work at Charles O. Stone's Intermediate Center, and I have worked there the entire time we've lived in Kansas. I am a 5th grade math teacher there. I love my job and I love my kids. I teach 3 sections of math a day. I am also the lead math PLC planner, so that is part of my responsibility. I am in charge of our weekly PLC planning. I am also a mentor. This is my 3rd time mentoring here, and I really enjoy that. And I am also on an assessment rewriting committee where I have spent time writing the assessments for all the 5th grade math teachers in the entire district. We are revamping all of the assessments and recreating them so that they work better for our students. As far as school community relations, some things that are important to me is parent involvement. I think it's really important that we have our parents in our building. We try to do a good job of that in my school. We invite them for our positive assemblies. They're always welcome to come and sit in class if their students need that. And they're always welcome to come in and have meetings with us as well. I also think it's really important that our administration comes to our classrooms, not just our building, but I think it's really good for district administration to come as well. And then I also think community involvement is very important. We have big brothers and big sisters at our school. We also have an after-school program, and we also have Real Men, Real Leaders in our building. And all of those involve outside help from the community, and it has been really great to have that in my building. Some ideas I have would be a newsletter that's monthly. My son's school has a principal who I admire and look up to a lot, and she does a monthly newsletter, and it's really nice for me to see. I also think that we need to be better about using a school website. That should be updated weekly, and it should have everything up to date on there to share with our parents and the community. And I also think that technology plays a big role in having those relationships with our school and community partners, and there are many different programs like Dojo out there to make sure that our parents are involved. We use that for my son as well. Here is my program standard and my ISTE standard. And that was my introduction video. Thank you very much.